Hello and welcome back to Small Decisions, Big Changes. Did you know that your mornings dictate what your day will be like? Today I will teach you how to create a morning routine that fills you with energy, focus, and purpose. Many of the world's most successful leaders have something in common. They value their morning. Robin Sharma, in her book The 5 a.m. Club, explains how dedicating the first hours of the day to activities such as meditating, reading or writing can transform your life. You don't have to get up at 5 a.m., but you can take advantage of the mornings to advance in what is important to you. I'll give you an example. My morning routine consists of 3 simple things: 5 minutes of meditation to prepare my mind for the day, 20 minutes of reading to nourish my mind, and 1.5 hours of exercise to work my body. Just in the morning, before it starts, I'll already feel like I've won the day. The key is not to complicate it, but to do something that trains you mentally and physically. What would happen if instead of checking your phone when you woke up, you used that time to meditate or plan your day? Tomorrow, get up 30 minutes earlier than usual and spend that time doing something that inspires you or brings you closer to your goals. It can be reading, writing, or simply walking while reflecting. Do you dare? Mornings are your chance to start strong. See you tomorrow with more small decisions that generate big changes.